Hello.
Hi. How can I help?
My Rheem AC logic board has two LED lights.
Do you know the model of your Rheem AC unit? When did you last replace the air filter?
Ds1 and Ds2.
How long has this been going on with your Rheem air conditioner? What have you tried so far?
Since yesterday, just tried resetting air handler.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Ds1 is on constantly and Ds2 is blinking.
Hello, my name is M. Looking at your question now and will respond in a moment. Disregard phone call offers, as those are computer-based.
Okay.
What is the model number of the unit with blinking DS1 and 2?
Rheem RP1436 Aj1 Na. Ds2 solid and Ds2 blinking. I already turned power and back on from fuse box and air handler. If I press button on small black box with wires coming out, the fan turns on. Customer attachment August 3, 2020 11:53 and 30 seconds p.m. I meant DS1 is solid and DS1 is blinking.
That is the contactor that gets closed with the 24V. I am looking up the code legend for that unit. Unless you already have the blink codes?
Nope, I don't have.
Just a moment. Lots of books. Okay, it is not starting because of a low pressure control. The pressure went too low and the unit has tripped. Have you had a loss of refrigerant before?
No, this system is only 1 year old. It was installed in 2019.
See chart here, https://billyhvac.tinytake.com/tt/duode5mv8sni4texna. Is the indoor blower running and clean filter?
Inside is running, but let me check the filter.
Two things create low pressure. 1. Lack of refrigerant. The unit has developed a leak and finally lost a NEO to trip the switch. 2. Lack of airflow. The filter is plugged, blower motor bad, etc. Something that greatly diminishes airflow. Those are the two scenarios that trip a low pressure switch. If only 2019 model, I would check about warranty before doing too much.
Where is the filter on my inside unmet?
That is different in every install. Could be in duct next to furnace, attic, wall or ceiling grills. Do you have a pic of furnace you could post here?
Customer attachment August 4, 2020 12:03 and 58 seconds a.m.
Can you see any filter slots at end of the unit? Or post a full pic of the air handler.
Customer attachment August 4, 2020 12:09 and 3 seconds a.m. Customer attachment August 4, 2020 12:09 and 4 seconds a.m. Customer attachment August 4, 2020 12:09 and 5 seconds a.m.
Is the unit in an attic?
Basement. I thought it was behind that silver tape, but nothing is there.
If basement, it would likely be in the ductwork that enters the bottom of the furnace. I could not see well enough at bottom. So it's pretty safe to assume the filter is plugged?
Customer attachment August 4, 2020 12:29 and 12 seconds a.m. I peeled the tape back and there's nothing in there.
Could I get a top to bottom shot?
1 second. Customer attachment August 4, 2020 12:30 and 40 seconds AM. Customer attachment August 4, 2020 12:31 and 28 seconds AM. Customer attachment August 4, 2020 12:31 and 32 seconds AM.
Well, I don't see one in the pics. It should be at very bottom or in the duct on left side. I am assuming the unit blows air up and not down into the box.
What's my options? Call AC company.
I am afraid so. They can run a filter check and check the level of refrigerant all in one visit. I apologize, but service call is better suited for this one. Billy.
Okay, THX.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.